Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your PlayStation 5 to a television. First, make sure you have your PlayStation 5 console, the HDMI cable that came with it, and the power cord. Before you start, it's important to turn off your television completely. Now, carefully find an open HDMI port on your TV, which is usually located on the back or side. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and easy setup process for your new console. Next, take one end of the HDMI cable and plug it firmly into the HDMI OUT port located on the back of your PlayStation 5 console. Then, connect the other end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI input port you selected on your television. It's a good idea to remember which HDMI input number you used, like HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, as you'll need this shortly. Now, connect the PlayStation 5's power cord to the console and then plug it into a working wall outlet. Go ahead and turn on your television. Using your TV remote, switch the input source to the HDMI port where you connected your PlayStation 5. Finally, press the power button on your PlayStation 5 console. You should see the PlayStation logo appear on your screen. Once your PlayStation 5 boots up, follow the simple on-screen instructions to finish the initial setup. You might want to dive into the PlayStation 5 system settings to fine-tune display options, like setting your preferred resolution or enabling HDR for a richer visual experience. Also, check your television's picture settings. Many TVs offer a game mode, which can significantly enhance your gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.